Sometimes you want to be able to hear your music, but still hear what's going on around you. When you want to do that, you can use just one earbud. We call this solo mode. Both the left and right earbud of Indy Evo and Fuel can be used in solo mode. To use solo mode, make sure both earbuds are on and connected. Then, place the earbud you aren't using back in the case. The remaining bud will stay paired and function with both phone calls and music. To use both earbuds again, simply remove the other bud from the case at any time, and you will hear a tone, or the music will seamlessly begin to stream to indicate that you have automatically entered back into stereo mode.